Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Dogecoin was originally created as a parody on Bitcoin, and it got its name from a once popular meme. It has exploded in popularity in 2021 and became the fifth largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Let's understand more about this meme coin in this video. Software engineers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer created Dogecoin in late 2013. Palmer created the cryptocurrency's logo using a meme popular at the time that featured the deliberately misspelled word Doge to describe a Shiba Inu dog. Hence Dogecoin is typically referred to as a meme coin. Dogecoin was created from Litecoin, which was a fork of the Bitcoin blockchain. Dogecoin runs on blockchain technology, which is a distributed ledger. It uses a proof-of-work consensus algorithm called auxiliary proof of work, which allows miners who mine other cryptocurrencies, like Litecoin, to simultaneously mine Doge at no additional cost. This process is known as merged mining. The Dogecoin blockchain can process around 30 transactions per second. Each mined block yields a reward of 10,000 Doge. One block is mined every minute, and Dogecoin has no supply cap. Number 1. It's quicker, which makes Dogecoin somewhat more efficient for processing payments. While it takes 10 minutes to ratify new blocks on the Bitcoin blockchain, it takes only 1 minute on the Dogecoin blockchain. Number 2. Dogecoin mining is less complex and hence it can be mined with less energy consumption, opposed to Bitcoin's high-power mining rigs. Number 3. Compared to Bitcoin, the transaction fees for Dogecoin are quite low. Number 4. Due to Dogecoin's low value, it is widely used as a tipping system. Number 1. There is no cap on the number of Dogecoins that may be mined, thus it is highly inflationary by design. There are about 130 billion Doge circulating, and miners produce another 10,000 every minute. By contrast, there are around 19 million Bitcoin, and just 12.5 Bitcoins are mined every 10 minutes. Number 2. There are very few use cases for the token, and adoption rate is very less. Number 3. There have been no major developments and technological updates on its technology since 2015. Number 4. Dogecoin has around only 1,000 nodes, which makes it far more susceptible to a 51% attack. Number 5. Currently, 0.002% of Dogecoin wallets hold 2/3 of the coin's total supply. This allows a small handful of individuals to have control over price fluctuations. In its early days, a community of enthusiasts arranged publicity stunts to raise Dogecoin's profile. It included gathering funds to send the Jamaican bobsleigh team to the 2014 Olympics or sponsoring a NASCAR driver. For most of its existence, Dogecoin was generally considered to be an amusing meme coin, but with relatively little value. That changed in 2021. As of April, Dogecoin became one of the 10 biggest cryptocurrencies by market cap, even though each individual coin is worth pennies. Among its major supporter is Tesla CEO Elon Musk, who called Dogecoin his favorite cryptocurrency. Musk also named Dogecoin the people's crypto and promised to plant a physical Dogecoin token on the moon. Musk, however, isn't alone in his celebrity endorsement of this meme coin. Dallas Mavericks owner Mark Cuban, Snoop Dogg, and many others have all publicly rallied behind Dogecoin. But there is more to Dogecoin's record price run than just celebrity backing. Market conditions have also been right to help it grow exponentially. With Dogecoin's infinite supply and low level of decentralization, it's hard to place any fundamental value on the crypto. Historically, the value of Dogecoin has been very low, around $0.003 per coin for most of 2020. On May 8, 2021, Dogecoin hit its highest possible price of $0.7376. This means an increase of more than a few thousand% in just 1 year. But the gains in Dogecoin that have been seen in 2021 may not be sustainable over the longer term. Fast rising Doge prices in 2021 attracted considerable media attention, which for a time created a cycle that attracted more investors and further increased prices. Thus, Dogecoin is one of the most speculative and volatile cryptocurrencies today. Users on social platforms can use Dogecoin to reward or tip each other for posting content. Dogecoin continues to gain exposure through the ongoing attention and projects of its user community. In fact, one of Dogecoin's most famous cheerleader, Elon Musk, recently announced a Dogecoin-funded project through his company SpaceX. The Doge 1 mission to the moon has been scheduled for 2022 and paid for in Doge by the Geometric Energy Corporation. The mission will see a Falcon 9 rocket deploy a 40-kilogram satellite into lunar orbit. Events like these will definitely help to sustain the hype around this coin.